In our recent project, we showcased our engineering and crafting skills to build our wooden dragster cars.
Now I'm going to show you how we transformed this wooden piece of balsa wood into this wooden dragster car. To start the process, we started by creating two sketches, a top and a side view of the dragster. Then after that, we used many cutting tools to cut the wood into our desired shape. For example, we used this scroll saw to ensure precision and accuracy when cutting the wood.
Using only raw materials and creativity, we designed and constructed our own dragster car. We also applied the principles of physics and we applied aerodynamics into our project. We also learned and included the IP learner profiles such as risk takers and communicators and many more.
We then used sandpaper to smoothen out our dragster car to make it thinner from the front and thicker from the back to ensure our aerodynamics so that when the car rolls, there would be less air resistance so that it rolls further and faster. We then used the perpendicular hole technique to make sure that our wheels are straight so that when we roll the car, when we do the alignment test, that our car is straight on the line and we bring it up the ramp. We then let go. We will then use this string to measure how far the dragster car went and how much to the side it went. The closer to the zero it is, the better. As you can see, the car rolled too much to the right, which means our wheels are not perpendicular.